everyone, and welcome to another news video. If you're going to Disneyland Paris very soon, you are prepared with Disney Studios, so keep on watching. Hi, my name is Marika and I'm from Magical Vacation Guide, and I am here to give you the best tips on how to do Disneyland Paris the best. All from the experts, and in this video we're gonna talk about the latest news updates. We're gonna talk about the grand finale of the 30th anniversary, a new Pixar show in Walt Disney Studios, and the closure and refurbishments of a couple of restaurants. So stay tuned. All good things come to an end. What started last year in March will come to an end September this year. I'm talking about the 30th anniversary of Disneyland Paris, and how to end grandiose and big, but with a big finale. Disneyland Paris announced last week that they're planning and organizing this big finale. So what is this big, or well, they call it the grand finale. So what does that include, the grand finale? So here are the basics. For the 30th anniversary, it will take place until the 30th of September. And what can you do before the 30th of September? You can enjoy, for example, all the Disney decorations in the front of the park at the entrance, but also the Gardens of Wonder. So if you haven't checked them out in real life, go do that and book a Disneyland Paris vacation. You can also enjoy all these different shows. Dream and Shine Brighter, which has come back in its full form after the Halloween and Christmas season, which you can now enjoy on these stages and the full show. You can also enjoy Disney Delight until the 30th of September. But there are also a couple of other things that are new, especially for the grand finale. And one of the most exciting things is that Disney Dreams is returning to Disneyland Paris for a short amount of time. It is running from the April 12th, which is on Disneyland Paris' 31st birthday. You can enjoy Disney Dreams from April 12th until I think they haven't communicated it well, but I think until the end of the 30th anniversary celebration. So what is Disney Dreams? Disney Dreams is a fireworks show, which is also like Disney Illuminations, but it debuted in 2012, and in 2017 it was replaced by Disney Illuminations. So the story behind Disney Dreams is that we're gonna follow Peter Pan's shadow.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes, it's true?
Yeah, it's true. Good job.
Oh, yeah? Okay, nice, thank you. So Disney Dreams, the story behind Disney Dreams is that we're following Peter Pan's shadow all throughout the Disney classics, where you can enjoy pyrotechnics, laser projections on the castle, water show, and all the classical Disney music. Also, a thing that is coming, it's for the grand finale of the 30th anniversary, and it's only for a limited amount of time, is a new Marvel show in Walt Disney Studios.
Yeah, it's true.
It is called Marvel: The Power of the Night, and it's projected onto the Tower of Terror with all the pyrotechnics, laser projections on the Tower of Terror, and a drone show. So they have 500 drones, and they're gonna make all these markings in the sky with Marvel themes. Think of the shield of Captain America, think of the Hulk. We have seen a couple of clips, so we're gonna include them here so you can get a little bit of a better picture of what I mean with the drones. And the show is held from January 28th until the 8th of May this year only. So if you want to go check that out, book a Disneyland Paris vacation right now for that period of time. Because it's limited, we don't know if it will return, we don't know if it's a pilot, so this might be your only chance. Do you want to get Disneyland Paris vacation a little bit more cheap? Check out the links here below in our YouTube video description, where we give you the best links, and you can save up to 25% of your tickets and hotel. In the theme of renovations and refurbishments, there are also a couple of new things that I want to share with you. Behind me you can see Market House Deli, where you normally can buy the best sandwiches, croissants, coffee, juices, drinks, and something for your sweet break. But right now it is closed down for refurbishment, and it's not known and it has not been communicated until when it's down until refurbishment. So we don't know yet, but if you're going in January or February, maybe has been lifted, but it maybe has not. So plan your trip around that. Also behind me on the other side, across the street, you can see Walt's restaurant, which is also closed down for refurbishment. Again, it has not been communicated until when or how long. It is pretty normal for the down season for a couple of restaurants and attractions to go down for refurbishment, but it has not been communicated until when. But if you're going in January, February, keep in mind that those restaurants might be closed. Disneyland Paris has announced that a new show is coming to Walt Disney Studios, and it's not Avengers themed. It is actually Pixar themed. It is called Pixar We Bring Together. Not a lot is known about the show and more information will follow, but what we do know is that it will include a Monsters Inc. and it's coming to Walt Disney Studios Park in the summer of 2023. It is not part of the grand finale of the 30th anniversary, but I think it's supposed to be a more permanent show. So we'll see, and if you want to be updated on this new show, make sure to follow us on YouTube. Here you can subscribe to us and we let you know. In our out-time flash news, we also have 5 items that you should not miss out on. There are 5 short news items, so I'm gonna tell you. The first one, It's a Small World. It has been announced. It's reopening again this spring 2023. It's a Small World is opening up again, and we have just walked by and it is all new and shiny and it is all renovated, but the original reason was refurbishment within the attraction. It has been closed down since November 2021, so it has taken almost 1.5 years to open up again, so this is pretty big. Also in the Disneyland Paris app, you have some updates. Normally when you go to restaurants, you can only see the menu of the counter service restaurants, all you can eat, or table service. But now they have had an update, or they're working on an update. I don't know, we have had it, we have seen it, but maybe in your country or your app store it's not just that available, but they're working on it. You can see for the snack locations the menu as well, which gives a bigger and better overview of what you can expect from that location. Also, Planet Hollywood and King Ludwig restaurant in Disney Village have officially closed down. Not for refurbishment. We have had a lot of refurbishment, but this is definite. So what is coming? We don't know what is coming instead of Planet Hollywood, but for King Ludwig you can expect the Royal Pub, which is a British Irish themed pub with crafts beers, with Guinness, braised beef, and all these British and Irish specialties. Also what you can expect in Disney Village at the end of 2023 is Restaurant Rosalie, both of which, the Royal Pub and Restaurant Rosalie, are from the Patrons group. Rosalie will open instead of Chef Mickey at the end of 2023. January 22nd is Worldwide Polka Dot Day, and who can you not exclude from Worldwide Polka Dot Day? Minnie, of course. So Disneyland Paris couldn't stay behind. They have made a limited collection especially for that day. The theme colors are orange, pink and red, of course, and we have seen some concept art and it's great. So expect those in the shops while you're visiting Disneyland Paris in January or February. And also some word from Disney World. We are Disneyland Paris, but this may affect Disneyland Paris as well. So in Disney World, you have the reservation system, and now it is said that annual pass holders can go into a Disney park after 2 p.m. without a reservation. So might be big news. This excludes holidays, weekends, and the Magic Kingdom park. But might this decision affect Disneyland Paris as well? Will there be an end of the reservation system in Disneyland Paris as well? Maybe they'll pilot it or introduce it worldwide. So maybe later, more on that. So here you have it, the news of January 2023. Now you are fully prepared of going to your holiday in Disneyland Paris in January, February, or maybe March. So what have we talked about? We have talked about the grand finale of the 30th anniversary. We have talked about some flash news, renovations, refurbishments. So we talk all Disney. If you like this video, make sure to give us a like. You would honestly make a day, and subscribe to our channel. Don't you want to miss out on all the big things happening for the grand finale? Book your Disneyland Paris trip right now. We have some links here down below in the description, and you can save up to 25% for tickets for hotel and the parks. If you like this video, make sure to follow us along, and we get you prepared for your Disneyland Paris vacation. We are here for you, so you will have never any surprises, and you get the fullest out of your vacation. So follow us along, and we hope to see you in another video. Bye bye.